Hi, are you ready to learn some new words? In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. The base word in this video is give. Here are some words related to the base word.
Giveaway, given, giver, gives, caregiver, forgive, forgiven, forgiveness.
Now learn how to use each word in a sentence.
Please give me your attention. That was a giveaway move. She was given an injection. It is better to be a giver than a taker. He gives them the key to their new home. The caregiver did her makeup. Please forgive me. She has forgiven her mom. I need your forgiveness.
If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.